The term Audi Motorhome 2026 probably refers to a creative idea or a unique modification of an Audi vehicle, perhaps a large SUV like the Audi Q7 or Q8, or perhaps an electric van in the future, by a third-party body company or independent designer, as Audi does not formally produce a full-fledged motorhome model under their brand. Consequently, the Audi Motorhome 2026 does not have a standard external design. But we can imagine what the outside of an Audi-based motorhome may look like, fusing elegance, Audi's design philosophy, and RV utility. Audi's sleek, athletic, and contemporary design aesthetic will probably be reflected on the outside. The fine detailing, well-balanced proportions, and powerful but flowing lines all demonstrated this. The primary design feature at the front will be the recognizable single-frame front grille, which might have a more futuristic appearance if it is built on an electric platform. Perhaps using matrix LED or digital matrix LED technology for dynamic and adaptable lighting, the LED lighting design is elegant and characteristically Audi. Despite the motorhome's generally boxy design, every attempt will be taken to maximize aerodynamics for stability and economy. To boost efficiency and save weight, the body may combine lightweight composites with metal, alloy wheels that fit the dimensions of the RV and have the sporty, sophisticated style that is characteristic of Audi. A selection of sophisticated and contemporary hues from the Audi color scheme, maybe with matte or unique color possibilities. Large windows that blend in perfectly with the body are intended to let in as much natural light as possible and to give a broad perspective. Aerodynamic side skirts, a diffuser, if applicable, and a subtly placed rear spoiler are examples of sporty design elements. Features like an awning, pop-up roof, or exterior storage will be discreetly included to avoid detracting from the overall design. There could be EV-specific design features like a partially covered grille, unique color accents, and aerodynamic wheel designs if the RV is built on Audi's upcoming EV platform. The interior design will probably adhere to Audi's contemporary, sophisticated, and high-quality aesthetic. This entails attention to detail, high-quality materials, and clean lines. Alcantara and Napa leather upholstery for seats, panels, and other surfaces with exquisite stitching will be among the finest materials used. Carbon fiber trim or natural wood with fine workmanship, adding a sense of luxury and athleticism. Accents made of fine metal or aluminum to provide the sense of elegance and modernity. The inside will be constructed using convertible pieces to optimize utility given the size constraints. Front seats that can be turned to communicate with the back. Solutions for rear seats that can be readily transformed into beds. Tables that fold up or are hidden for entertaining, working, or eating. Chic small kitchens features chic built-in appliances like concealed mini refrigerators, sinks with contemporary faucets, and portable or compact induction cooktops. High-quality materials will probably be used to make countertops. Solutions for modular storage cabinets and drawers with clever designs that optimize storage capacity without sacrificing style. Storage systems that are concealed and vertical will be common. The newest Audi infotainment system features 2 or 1 huge touchscreen, an Audi virtual cockpit that may be customized, a high-end music system, probably from Bang & Olufsen, internet access, and smart app integration. Lighting, temperature, and other RV controls will probably be connected with the primary system. A sophisticated LED lighting system with several color choices to create distinct moods. A tiny bathroom with a fold-out sink, a portable toilet or cassette toilet, and a small shower that yet uses premium materials are some examples of more opulent ideas. Roof with a panoramic view, if possible, to offer a broader view and natural illumination. Given Audi's emphasis on the future, the inside is probably going to feature recycled or eco-friendly materials. High-performance TDI, diesel engines, turbocharged TFSI, petrol engines, hybrid or plug-in hybrid, PHEV powertrains, and full electric EV powertrains are some potential engines or powertrains that may be taken into consideration given Audi's brand image, which emphasizes technology, performance, and luxury.